consulta nawe. Thokozani sanibonani dumelang apsheni endelo. This mkhuloti ukapteni wezinyanga ikhehla lamakhehla. Thokozani dumelang apsheni endalo. Mtakababa, today I want to talk about a prominent thing of which abantu they ask themselves ukuthi, why must we slaughter animals whenever we are doing a certain and cleansing ritual? Why must there be an animal of which dies in order for me to get a proper cleansing or in order for me to open my leg or to do my things? There is something of which kumele understand. By the time you were born, hona le madi a ileng a tswa ho motho wa mosadi. Each and every human being of which is born by a man and a woman or by a male and a female, kunegazi elaphuma uma uzalwa. So into ekwazi ukulungisa impilo yomuntu igazi. Ngiyaphinda happy. Into ekwazi ukulungisa impilo yomuntu igazi. Ayikho enye into emhlabeni ekwazi ukulungisa umuntu impilo yomuntu mangasi igazi. Madi ke wona a khona ukulungisa bophelo ba motho. By so saying, I'm trying to say to you, uma umuntu ekuthi wena uyagezwa, uyahlanjululwa, uyalungiswa, wenzwa ini. If there is no blood of which was used, believe you me, leyo nhlanhla leyo iyohamba ifike iphela amandla. So, what do abathakathi do whenever uma umthakathi ethakathi umuntu? Umthakathi uma ethakathi umuntu, uma umthakathi etshontsha inhlanhla yakho. Whenever a witch or a wizard, it is rightly stealing your luck, your power, your energy. Zonke izinto zakho ezinhle. Umthakathi number 1, usebenzisa igazi. Depending on ukuthi uslaughter which animal by that time. Inhlanhla yakho uma itshontswa, inkukhu emnyama iyahlatshwa. Igama lakho uma limoshwa, inkukhu emnyama iyahlatshwa. Uma kutshontsha izinto zakho owazinikezwa okhokho bakho, imali zakho, kuhlaba inkukhu. Ire inkukhu emnyama, imbuzi or anything, any kind of animal or imvu. Uma kuthuliswa impilo yakho, ukuthi impilo yakho mayithule, they use imvu, a sheep, igusha. Bahlaba igusha, bathulisa impilo yakho. Kube kuyukuthi wena uma uthi uyahamba uya anywhere, ayikho into ehlanganayo ngoba kunegusha elahlatshwa ngempilo yakho kuze yonke into ikwazi ithule. So, I'm trying to say to you, uma umuntu uhlele emakhaya, you have been asking yourself ukuthi, why is it a must for me ukuthi mangifika kaDr. Hoti ngifike nezinkukhu ezu2? Mina, if you come for any cleansing kaDr. Hoti, you need to come with 2 white chickens, 2 white hens, a hen and a rooster. Inkukhu emhlophe yendoda, inkukhu emhlophe esifazana. Untlela munkukhu quthe ungizele hen esifazana ke khuya msadi hen. So ngame magama, I'm trying to say to you, whenever uma umuntu izinto zakho zimoshwa, zigangelwa, kuhlangahlanganiswa yonke into empilweni yakho, kusebenziswa igazi kuze impilo yakho kuphele ngayo. Even whenever uma silungisa impilo yakho, mina njengenyanga I use something ukuthi bayisebenzisa kuwe. Ungizwe kahle. Uma utikoloshe ekulala, utikoloshe ubulala yonke into ekuthi iyenzakala empilweni. Ngikhuluma ngezinto ezinhle. Utikoloshe uma ekulala ubulala yonke into enhle empilweni yakho. And le yonke into ubulala through what? Through ngokulala nawe. Ngokulala nawe itikoloshe idla igazi lakho. Awungikuhlurikereng emakhosa ungizwa. Uma utikoloshe ekulala udla igazi likabantu, udla igazi lakho. Uma utikoloshe edla igazi lakho, usuke edla impilo yakho, usuke edla umoya wakho, usuke edla ikusasa lakho. So, I'm trying to say to you, njengomuntu omnyama, njengomuntu ukuthi ukholwa emasikweni akini, ukholwa ebantwini abadala, you need to know about this kind of things. Ukuthi njengoba umuntu uphila, uhluphekiswa yini and uyenzwa yini ukuthi zakho zingabi kahle. Lento leyo ukuthi uyenyangeni, inyanga ufika ungene kuyona ikufaka amabhafu without ukugeza ngegazi lenkukhu elimhlophe. You are just wasting your time. You are just wasting your time. Uma uhlushwa indoda ayikuhluphi ngoba isiyajola. Banabajola saza la sinjalo vele. Indoda nanoma ungayiniki ikhekhe ubheke emoyeni iyojola. Nanoma indoda ungayiniki ikhekhe ubheke enzansi iyojola. Nanoma indoda ungayiniki ikhekhe ubheke emsamo iyojola. Amadoda azalwa enjalo. But indaba isekutheni kuze indoda yakho ikubone ikuhloniphe kumele wenze na. Kuze indoda yakho ikuhloniphe, indoda yakho ikwazi ukuyiphatha, ikwazi ukuthi iziphathe kahle, ikwazi ukuthi ihleleke. Batla uNkulunkulu nje kivuka ngurikere ngwena. Kumele ukuthi uyogezwa. But ugezo inyanga ngenkukhu emhlophe. Ungathi uyenyangeni, uyenyangeni, inyanga ifika ikufaka endumbeni, igeza ngemithi. Imithi ngifuna ngizwe kahle, imithi ihlala isikhathi eside endumbeni. Awunkuhlorikele ngawungizwa. Imithi ihlala isikhathi eside endumbeni. Uma imithi ihlela isikhathi eside endumbeni, idinga igazi ukuze ikwazi ukuvuka. Angazi ukuba nobani. Angazi ukuba nobani. Imithi uma isihlele endumbeni iyafa. Imithi uma isihlele endumbeni iyakhathala. That's why kudingakala igazi lenkukhu nenyongo yenkukhu kuze ukwazi ukuthi ugezwe. Bese le mithi iyavuka, ivula into zakho. Bese le mithi iyavuka, iyageza, iyakuhlambulula. Kwesinye isikhathi uma umuntu, you ask yourself ukuthi solo kungasuka kumakhosi kungathi impilo yami isi worse. Solo kungaya kumakhosi kungathi impilo yami isimosheke worse. Solo kungaya kumakhosi kungathi impilo yami sengiyibulele. My God. Ingoba nomakhosi akayisebenzisana inkukhu. Inkukhu iyadingakala. Ayikho inkukhu la ebunyangeni ebaluleke njengenkukhu emhlophe. Inkukhu emhlophe, inkukhu impangela. Impangela it's so important ngoba impangela iyakwazi ukuthi ilwise izitha zodwa. Impangela ngokwayo iyakwazi ukulwisa izitha zodwa. Zixabane zodwa izitha. Sixabane zilwe zodwa nje izitha. Impangela. Kube kuyikuthi inkukhu emhlophe ikwazi ukuthi iphakamise inhlanhla zakho, ivule konke kwakho. That's why we say itopic yethu ithi chicken blood for cleansing. Chicken blood for cleansing. Chicken blood is so important. You need to go to ugezwe nge-chicken blood. You need to go to ugezwe nge-chicken blood. I hope unangizwa lapho ku-TikTok live. Ningabheki nje, nithumela amaflower lapho, nithumela ama-ice cream, nithumele ama-hearts lapho. Nginyanga enhle kakhulu ukuthi ningangibheka nje mahala. Thumela izinto lapho, rumelani something. Bonisa ukuthi sakusupporta mkhuluthi. Ngisasela. Chicken blood for cleansing. It is very important. Before I can do anything for you, I need to go to ngugeze. I need to cleanse you. Proper cleansing nakhona. Real cleansing. Oh my God. Ngushintshela impilo yakho. Nginyanga mina. Mina nginyanga ngisangoma sokuqala nqa. Esincane kunazo zonke eNingizimu Afrika. Esa recognize ngisho na phesheya kwamalwandle. That's why ngisho kwahlabeka abantu. Kwahlabeka izitha, kwahlabeka abantu. Abaningi kakhulu. But how can abe namandla kangaka? Kwakwata ngisho ikhulu zala zangihlanganyela, but here I am namhlanje ngisasela ngithi kuwena mntaka baba wozobona Dr. Hoti. Uma mina ngiyenzela i-chicken blood for cleansing ziyahluka. Ufika nenkukhu ezu2, it rates from 2.5 5,000 mamele 2.5 and 5,000 inkukhu ezinjani ezimhlophe. Kukho ezimhlophe ezu2, then ungiphathele imali engange 2.5 ufike la ekhaya eMondio sogeza amabhadi. Sivula inhlanhla zakho. Kube nenhlanhla ka 5,000 rand. 5,000 rand uphatha inkukhu ezu2 5,000 rand. So geza ini amabhadi. Then ke manje ke sesiya nyuka ke manje ke sesiya entweni enkulu sithi ke manje ke sifuna ukugeza ngembuzi. Uma ngigeza ngembuzi ngivula inhlanhla zakho ngembuzi. Lapho ke ungiphathela imbuzi bese ungiphathela imali engange 8,000 rand. I repeat, ungiphathela imbuzi ungiphathele i8,000 rand. Lapho ke sisuke senzana ke manje sesikuphakamisa ngenhlanhla on another level. Kube kuyikuthi uyakwazi futhi ukuthi uphathe 10,000 rand ungiphathele imbuzi ungiphathele inkukhu ezimbili. Bese uhlala ekhaya into eyenza 2 days. Ngugeza inhlanhla zakho, ngivula inhlanhla zakho, ngukhanyisela inhlanhla zakho. Lapho ke usuke umuntu othi Dr. uthi mina ngifuna nje ukuphila ngenhlanhla without anything isithwalo. Isithwalo, it is not a permanent solution. I repeat again. Ukuthwala, it is not a permanent solution. But inhlanhla yakho uma ivulekile ukwazi ukuphila on a level yokuthi wena uthwele but ungathwalanga. Ukwazi ukuphila on a level yokuthi wena uthwele but ungathwalanga. Inhlanhla uma sivulile. Then uyafikela ekhaya sikwenzela imisebenzi yakho yonke. La ekhaya kuyasetshenzwa Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Kusemadlozini. Akukona lana kwamama uyangiqhaza kusemadlozini. Yila kona kusizwa abantu khona. Uma ufike ekhaya kusizwa abantu Monday to Monday. Ngisemondo, this Dr. Uthi, please be aware that ngiyuza inumber ethi 061 272 4272. I repeat again, 061 272 4272. Ngoba amanamba ami WhatsApp ahekhiwe. Ngiyabonga makhosi. Consulta nawe.